Good evening, dear students. Today in computer period, we are going to learn lesson number 2, part 1, evolution of computers. Do you know how computer came into existence, from where the journey of the computer started? The present day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculations. Means the journey of the computer is started from a calculating device. Let us glance through the major milestone in the journey leading to the evolution of present day computers. History of computer. The need to keep a track of numbers lead to the invention of different counting device. Right from abacus, the first counting device, many devices were invented leading to the development of computer. Among them, first is abacus, which was made in 3000 BC. BC stands for before Christ was born. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations developed in China. The frame is divided into two parts, which is called heaven and earth. Each rod in heaven has 2 beads and the earth has 5 beads. It is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. A skilled user can solve problems nearly as fast as somebody with a calculator. Let us know more. In 1617, John Napier made a calculating device, a set of calculator rods called Napier's bones. The rods were made up of carved bones which were used for performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and square roots. Pascal adding machine. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the first mechanical calculator at the age of 19 in the year 1642. It used gears, wheels and dials. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. The gear principle was further employed in many mechanical calculators. Taximeter is a perfect example of it. Leibniz calculator. Leibniz, the famous German mathematician, improved on Pascal's machine in 1671. Leibniz calculator was a mechanical device. Apart from performing addition and subtraction, the Leibniz calculator could even do multiplication, division and find square roots. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, is considered as the father of computers. Why he is called a father of computers? He invented a working model of mechanical computer called difference engine in 1822 and the analytical engine in 1833. The analytical engine had 5 units: input, output, store, mill and control. These units worked like the modern computer. All the computers which are used nowadays are based on it. Yes, we have input, output, store and control units in modern day computer. That is why he is called the father of computers. Store was used for storing the data and mill was the calculating unit. Control unit was used for supervising all the units. Fact 5. Around 1820, Charles Babbage created the first successful mechanical calculator, the Thomas arithmometer, that could add, subtract, multiply and divide based on Leibniz's work. Augusta Ada Lovelace Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace was the English mathematician and writer chiefly known for her work on Charles Babbage's analytical engine. She is considered as the first programmer who suggested binary data storage like 0 and 1 instead of decimal number system. That is why he is called first programmer.